Alright, row back. Today we're looking at the Glock 19 Gen 5. Chambered in 9mm. Let's go ahead and clear it. Let you guys know it's clear. Nothing in the chamber. No mag in it. Give you a dry fire. I see Glock gets a lot of hate. I don't understand it. I love them. Work great. Stainless steel barrel, stainless steel guide rod. We can actually take it apart now. Stainless steel guide rod. Pretty good guide rod. I think that's a 4-inch stainless steel barrel. It's coated. It's kind of dirty. Probably gonna go shoot it in a couple days. I already shot it, but I may shoot it again, so I'm not gonna clean it. Reassembly, very easy. And there you go. Did a few things to it. Added a TLR6 laser light. Let me go ahead and turn off the light, show you that. Oh, it's got a laser on it. Laser light combo and just a flashlight. God forbid you gotta shoot a motherfucker at night. Got you a light on there. Go tritium night sights. Turn off the light. May not be able to see him. Got the American flag, fuck yeah. I painted the engravings white. I just thought it looked a lot cleaner. Looks good. I have the medium, I don't know what you call a backstrap. I have the medium size on. It makes it feel much, much better in the hand. All in all, it's a good weapon. It's very reliable, very accurate. It shoots plus P ammo, shoots pretty much anything you want to put in it. Very reliable, no jam ups, no misfires. It's a good gun. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on it. I already recorded this video and fucked it up, so we're just gonna get out to the range and shoot.
My problem is